This morning's job was a 1961 Rambler, and they raised the car too high and hit something right at the corner of the roof. And before they got a hold of a technician, somebody took a hammer and tried to fix it. So that's a tough one. So what's nice about these old cars is that you can get right behind it. And I leveraged off the inner frame with a tool that I haven't used in months. It just happened to be the right bend. You know, that's how it goes. You have tools laying around, and then there's that one moment you need it. And sure enough, it paid off. Here's how it turned out. All done.
Counted 7. I think I got 5 last night.
Thanks for watching.